Hello. In this lesson we are going to work on delete, destroying objects. So over here we can see bottom left corner has different IDs for each post. Alright, so this tells us that our param ID is being passed over. Alright, so let's create a dummy record that we could use to test our delete. Deleting record. Okay, so this will create a record for us to test with. Alright, so let's go into our controller, and in destroy we do post equals post.find params ID. Okay, alright, so here we can say post.destroy, as simple as that, and we want to redirect to back to wherever you've come from, and then we say notice, and we say post was successfully deleted, and that's all we need to get destroy to work. So let's give that a try and say okay, and that's it, it's gone. Alright, so this works, and we can come over here and we can shade this off. Alright, so deleting post should delete associated comments, associated tag relations, and notifications. So this is what I mean. We have post here. Post has many post tags and tags. Alright, so if we delete this post, post has comments, and comments also has notifications. So when we delete a post, we're expecting it to delete the comments that were made for that post, and when we delete a comment, we need it to delete the notifications that were made for that comment. And the same for post and post tags, which is where we're going to start. Alright, so let's make another dummy content with a relation. Okay, I'm only doing this so we can have something easy to find in the DB. So this will be the last record created. So I select two tags, okay, and then we'll create. So that's done, that's fine. So let's go into our database and have a look at posts. Alright, so we scroll all the way down. This is what we've done, the last one. So this is the ID, so ID is 41. Alright, so if we go into post tags, we expect to find something attached to that 41. Go all the way to the bottom, we can see two 41s. Okay, has post tag IDs 1 and 2. So that's fine, that's exactly what we wanted, because we attached two items to this post. Alright, so what we now expect to happen, when we delete this record, we expect those records to be deleted from the database. Let's give this a go. I click on delete. I relaunch SQLite, and let's have a look at post tags. And we scroll down, and we can see the two records, 41 and 41, are still there for the post ID, but this post has been deleted. So we have redundant data, so that post is gone. So we have tags pointing to a destroyed post, which is not good. Alright, so but here we can see that the record is there. So what we want to do is target the dependent and delete them. Delete these two records when we delete any post. Our destroy remains as it is. We can do this by going into our model. So when we say delete post, delete its dependents, that's what we want to do. So let's say models and post. We'll open this file up. We can simply go onto line 3, and we can say comma dependent destroy. So this basically destroys any dependent when we destroy the post. Okay, now with this done, let's give this another try. We'll create a new dummy post, and we are going to attach some tags to this. So this is delete, test, testing, attach to, and create the post. So that's created there. We can restart SQLite. Go into data and we scroll down, and we can see we have two new records, 42 and 42 there. Those are the post IDs. So we double check here. So the last record created is 42, so that's fine. All right, so let's go ahead and delete this record. Click on delete, and it's gone. So when we double check, go into our posts, we can see that it's gone. And if we go into post tags, expect that 42 is gone and 42 is gone. So we have 41 from previous. Okay, so now we know that dependence is working for our tags relation. So we can say that this line here is done. Right, so we have comments and we have notification, but we haven't seeded our app with comments and notification yet. All right, but we can still copy and paste our dependent destroy in the right places, and we can test this when we seed our app with those record. So this is fine. Dependent is true. So we want, when we delete comment, delete notification. So I'm going to say model comment, because that's Command P or Control P if you're on Windows. And we say comma, remove one of these commas, and dependent true. So this should work when we code that section. All right, so everything is done. We have done this here. We have post was successfully deleted. So flash message is done. All right, so highlight this is done, and everything in post is done. All right, so that's this means moderator is done, sessions is done, posts is done. So we have we're making progress. So we have tags to do next. So tags will be a lot faster because we are basically redoing a lot of things that we've done before. Controller methods are very identical, and tags, this is what it looks like. So we're going to make it possible to create multiple tags here, and it will be displayed on the same page. All right, so we have a link here to tags. So that's it for this lesson, and that's it for posts. So I'll see you in the next lesson, and we can work on tags. So see you there.